y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing y'all how I created this half up half down style. Today's video is sponsored by SamsBeauty, and for this style I'm going to be using the Cuban twist hair in the colors OT30 and T30. Links to this hair will be down in the description box. I have this crochet wig cap that is supposed to be a lace closure cap, but instead I flipped it around and decided to make this a half wig instead. So the OT30 hair is the color that you guys seen in my ombre straight crochet video. So I used the remainder of that hair for the front portion of this half wig. The hair that you see me crocheting in now is T30, which is basically the color 30 mixed with black at the top, and then it fades out to 30 at the bottom. So I divided each strand of the Cuban twist hair into 8 pieces to crochet this hair in. And because I'm creating a half wig, I did not crochet any hair below that lace closure piece. So this is what the hair looked like when I was pretty much done. I ended up using one full pack of hair for this half wig. So now I'm going to be showing you how I straighten this hair. I'm first starting off with a regular blow dryer to get the hair somewhat straight. And then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer brush to completely straighten the hair out. For the blow dryer brush part of this straightening, I suggest that you use the blow dryer on low heat at first, and then once you got the hair pretty much detangled, use the high heat to get the hair even more straight. So this is what the hair looked like once I finished straightening it and once I trimmed some of the ends. So now I started the process of curling the hair, and I am using the medium-sized hot rollers for this. So here you'll see how I roll the hair and the side sections that I use, as well as the takedown process. Y'all, I forgot to mention that I closed up the unused space on the crochet cap. Basically, I just took a needle and thread and closed that extra space and sewed it down to the bottom. Alright, y'all, so now it's time for installation. So I divided my hair from ear to ear. In the back, I just have 2 braids pinned down. So to smooth down this ponytail, I started off using the Got To Be gel, but I soon realized that it wasn't giving me the results that I wanted. So I switched over to the Got To Be glue freezing spray, which worked much better. So for the top knot bun, I used strands of the Cuban twist hair. I used about 6 to 7 strands of the Cuban twist hair. I mixed mostly the OT30 hair with a couple of strands of number 2. So I went ahead and straightened the hair using the same steps that you saw me do before. And now I'm going to attach the hair to my ponytail using a rubber band. So at this point, you want to just take the hair and basically just twist it into a bun. It might take you a couple of tries to get it exactly the way you want, but this part was pretty easy. As you can see, it took me a couple of tries, but this is what my bun ended up looking like. So now it's time to apply the half wig. So the reason why I decided to create this half wig is because I really love half up, half down styles. So I figured if I took the time to create this half wig, I could do so many half up, half down styles without having to worry about doing the back of my hair. And as you can see, that was so easy to apply and it looks pretty seamless. So the cap that I have came with 3 combs. So there's a comb right in the middle and then there's 2 combs on the side. Alright guys, so here are my final results. I really love this style so much. As I said, I created this half wig and I definitely will be creating this half wig in more colors because I have so many style ideas that I want to try now. Y'all, I also think that this 30 color is my color now. So expect to see this color on me again sometime in the future. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this style and would you try it. Thanks again to SamsBeauty for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in this hair, you can buy it on their site and it is linked in the description box. Leave all questions and comments down below and I will see you guys next time.